Okay, so we're live now on it. I'm just reporting in. Greg, I don't have any questions. I'm under the codes of we're not really supposed to show a whole lot. Is there anything you have any questions or anything like that?
Nope, I finished this one too, so it's pretty straightforward. I don't have any questions. It's it's good stuff to learn, but I
Yeah,
think we're good.
yeah, I guess I really don't have anything. I'll be checking in on with you for the
Well,
next.
I will bring this up. I
What's
mean,
that?
just so we have something on here is, um, are you good at Excel? I mean,
This isn't hard. This isn't rockets. It takes time because I'm trying to make it look nice. Other than that, it's not like.
so I had a problem with this one only in that so you've got two pages and
Uh-huh.
you've got the chart on the one page.
Uh-huh.
I had to, and maybe this is how it is, but I don't. For some reason, I had to build my graph in my data chart and then cut and move it over to my dashboard sheet. Otherwise, it wouldn't grab all of the data. I had to create it in three separate sections. Did you have that?
So I made three. I have three sheets. One is the raw data, and then the second one, I didn't even make a dashboard in this one because it didn't say we had to require. So I just went ahead and made it look nice and everything. I
The
can
summary page, yeah,
here.
basically.
I can show you, right? We can show.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hold on. Let me just get mine up because I was ready for this part. So hold on. All right. So this is what I did. I line graphed. So I actually, I made a legend up here to understand the great ifs, and, the and ifs. The greater and less than in that. I did do a lot of hiding. And then I took this, and everything was based off of this formula right here for the line chart. It didn't say we didn't. I remember I got dinged because I didn't put this on a totally different page. So I actually created another sheet for this. And what I did was I actually just took, the projects, which I got from this one, and I did a lot of cutting and pasting. Granted, there is formulas, of course, but how I did this, I did it by I had to do this because of the what we were taught with the lesson, but I'm not quite sure. Is this not what yours is looking like? This is,
not exactly. If you want me to, I can show you mine real quick.
Okay.
So, because I'd be careful of this. Let me get back to it now. And can you see mine?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't finished it yet. But I've just got the two, my source data here.
Yeah.
And then I called it the dashboard, but I'll probably change that because you brought up a good point there. So I was just finishing it, moving everything around and just got to clean it up some. I was looking at this though. Can you see my internet sheet now?
Yeah.
It says in the same worksheet, create your pie chart.
All right.
So I would move that. Otherwise, I don't know if they would deduct or not on that.
See, and that's my argument is I got dinged because I did put too many charts on one, and I don't know. Really. And so that's where I'm afraid. And I listened into one of another group, and they said the same thing. Guy got dinged too. So I think you're right. You can argue with them on that, saying, you can argue with them on that. It is, because this is what they want. So I'm like, so I don't understand. This is what he said. They wanted the if it was more or less, and make sure they're in that. So that has to be done. And then this has to be given for this respectively in this area. I can bring. All I have to do is cut and paste this whole pie chart and just put it right here on this line graph, and that's it. And I don't have to show any of this.
Yeah.
I can.
I would just because it's specific about it being on the same worksheet, I would have it on that, just not give it a chance to have a deduction.
Okay, I will, and I appreciate that. I was a little confused on that one, so I'll go ahead and move that over shortly. So,
Okay.
but any other questions?
No, I think that's it.
All right, cool. Well,
yeah, email me.
Okay,
and
I'll email you.
I'm pretty much free anytime on Friday. Like I said, I'm off, and yeah, anytime you want to get together and just have a quick one of these, I'm available. Just let me know.
All right, appreciate it very much, and good luck with your moving and all that.
Thanks. We bought the house. Now we just got to get ours sold, which isn't going to be a problem, but you know how it is.
Well, that's a pretty nice, because is Omaha much more expensive?
No, it's less. It's probably